Okay, so in this video I'm going to give you guys tips on how to turn yourself from this to this. So let's get into it. Hi, so today we're going to find ways on how we're going to make school pleasurable. The first step is to have a positive mindset. I know it's a little difficult, especially when it comes to school, to have a positive mindset. Then when you see your grades, you see the effort you put into, and they don't really correlate to make your school be aesthetic and pretty and cute, because we all know that school is not that. In order to achieve this, we're going to create a pros and a cons list in order to remove any negative association you've developed relating to school. The next point is to have a very set, aesthetic, peaceful, cozy morning routine. Actually, having a calm, peaceful morning routine makes you to be able to appreciate the little things that goes on in our lives, the little things that makes us happy, such as making a nice breakfast or even doing skincare. It helps you to reduce the stress that you may have in school, and I just do this because, just to make me feel better. Actually, picking out a cute outfit is one of my highlights in school. Just the aspect of just getting ready and just feeling pretty in whatever I wear. There's just something about going out rather than reading in your room and being stuck in your room. So on some days I just like going out around my school campus and just, having a change of scenery. It really helps. Lastly, get yourself cute stationeries just like jotters, headsets, highlighters, colored pen, and so much more. It actually brings joy. And lastly, clean the space in your room. Do not forget that after your exam. Make sure you clean everywhere, because we all know how it can be. So we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you